Hello guys, how are you doing? This is David from Costa Rica. Today I would like to share with you this beautiful place is called Rainmaker. It is located in Parrita, Costa Rica. So let's enjoy this trip. Now this is the waterfall, uh, one of the water, a little part of the waterfall, but I think this is just the river. Okay, nice. So here we have the trail that goes to the hanging bridges. Uh, let's see. So this is the first hanging bridge, and if we keep going a little bit, we're gonna find another one. Oh, let me go up. Whoa, this is the other one. There's not any river down there. There's Karina trying. She's really scared, but she's trying. She has to be brave. Now there's my turn, and I'm not afraid to fall. Honestly, I am, but I don't care. Alright, this is where the funny part begins. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is the real hanging bridges. Whoa, I like this. Alright guys, if you wanna try something different, a nice experience in the middle of the jungle, this is the place for you guys. I really recommend you to try it. Nice. There I go. Look at this. Whoa. Well, the bridge is very stable. You don't need to worry about anything with the bridge. Like you can see, really strong cables. The wire is very strong. Whoa, this is the big one. Look at this. You're going to love it. If you like the adventure, this is the one for you. ¿Yo? Sí. Pero tienes que esperar que yo pase. No quiero los dos a la vez porque este se va a menear como le da la gana. Uf. This is seriously... Whoa man, I'm scared. I have to go slow. I don't want to fall. If I fall from here, no one is gonna find my body. I like it. Whoa, you can see the river from here. There it is. Nice. It's... Whoa, man. I think I'm nervous. Look at this. Whoa. The bridge is shaking a little bit, but not too much, like I told you before. It is a very stable bridge, and I think it's also very safe. I think the maintenance people can make it stronger, but it's not that bad. Nice. Oh shit. So guys, this is the end of the trail, but I mean the hanging bridges part. It was very fun. I had a lot of fun. I felt really nervous, but I enjoy it. Uh, I really would like you to visit this place and enjoy the nature. So guys, we are in the pools. This is the natural pool, and this place is very safe. You can swim here if you like. So this goes to the river. Look what a beautiful place. Right now it's very cold and it is raining. That's why they call it Rainmaker. I like this place.